Hey guys, it's me Electro. So now I need to make an announcement that I'm not going to be uploading videos for the next 3 to 4 months because my class 10 board exams are coming up in the month of Feb March. So I'm concentrating on them, and then I need to also get good marks. So till then, I'll be having video ideas which I'm going to be executing after my exams, and I'm going to be uploading them. So guys, thanks for your patience. Have fun with the new build. Press the red subscribe button to subscribe and press the bell icon to receive notifications for our next video. Hey guys, it's me Electros. In today's video we're going to the Sunday market again, from where I bought this 1970s Crompton Greaves High Breeze fan, which was in decent shape but needed a repaint, and I modified it and stuff. Now we are in the market. Guys, excuse my bad camera angles. Yep, this is not the old man where I got the high breeze from. This is another guy with this wisp. Late 60s, early 70s Whispair. It was the only one imported from Britain, and these are the Orient Deluxe. I had a bad choice, either Deluxe or GEC, because it is like rusty shit, but it's a great fan. You cannot, you know, you won't forget it in your lifetime. So guys, this is the fan after installation. Exactly after I bought it, I went to 12 o'clock again to the market to actually buy it because I did not go with the bag or money. You can see its condition. And yes, headphone users, please decrease your volume. You guys can see it's pretty worse. And when I took it to the winding shop where I took my Crompton Graves high speed for rewinding when my brother hit the cricket bat on it, okay, forget that. So he opened the motor, and then that was the time I realized this wasn't a normal GC spare. I never even knew it was imported from Britain. We opened it, we found only a single bearing and an upper bush which was causing the sound. So we have lubricated the bush and the bearings, and then when I consulted my friend whose grandparents have GECs, he told, looking at the capacitor and stuff, this is an imported 1960, late 60s, early 70s GEC. Now we'll put the clip of the painting process. I have not actually recorded it, but
3 weeks later.
Gold line helps me. My third collection. Oh, such a breeze. So guys, now I'll remove all my painting supplies and the GC from the storage. And yep, I took it to the winding shop to get it open because I was unable to understand how to remove the capacitor block from the motor stator itself. So don't think that I actually killed it, then I took it. The cricket bat was hit to the HS, not the GEC. So by accident I switched off the light. That's the GEC motor. Yeah, it's down now. So you can see one Katan canopy I got it from the winding shop, courtesy to my winding guy. Now we'll totally dismantle the whole fan piece by piece, and then especially stator, I don't want to damage it. And also lubricate. Yep, ignore that screwdriver thing, it was my mistake. Actually I used it to hit the nut on the capacitor holder exactly like my winding shop guy did. So yep, I already opened this motor twice, so now I know how to open it and work with it, but took some of my time. So just and yep, the stator was jammed like my 70s hybrid is also the same thing. those are hit and the bearing is attached to the shaft itself, and then it's pushed into the slot, so that's hard to remove. A few bangs are required, which I did it. And now I also need to lay paper for the painting job. Oh my god, so much of work. Switch off the GEC, gold line, use some tape. I've never used tape to hold paper in place. I used to use weight. Now I'm not removing the download from the iron block because both of them together, let it be there. Next time I'll do it. And removing all the blade arms. Any other blades were bent on the way home, like the speed bumps, and I'm on my cycle in one bag, and it's also banging the rod to the blades and the motor and everything, so that's how the bends occur. Some bends were also there from before. And yeah, the rust, it was when the guy who's selling it, he might have stored it in water for sure. It looks like that. And the canopies were broken. At least one canopy with at least a small hint of what the model name was. And even the label was not there. But I realized it was Whispair by looking at a few other Whispairs, which I know in my neighborhood, and they have the same noise, and they're single bearing only. Some Whispairs are double bearing. The one which I saw in the High Breeze buying video, links in the description. So also I'm sanding down the rust and everything, surface rust, all the things perfectly sanding you need to do, and yep, cleaning up the dust so it does not go on the paint. Yes guys, now the paint, it's almost painted, 2 coats done. You can see the imperfections, they're not gonna go until I use body filler or something. Still yeah, the work looks great. Yep, gold line helping GEC drying. Guys, I had to move the GEC into the cupboard for drying. It's night. I started painting at 1 in the afternoon, and it's night now. It's not yet dried, and I have actually put it because the floor needed to be clean and stuff. And I've locked it, full protection for GEC. No one destroying my paint job.
The next day.
Open the lock. Professional lock breaking now. I haven't broken a lock, and I also lock the stator for good purpose, so no one drops it. And now I've put the parts outside, added the canopy to the rod. I also printed the stickers, and the GEC logo is taken from my goal line and edited in paint. If anyone wants to document, comment down below. I'll give you the download link in the description. Now we'll attach the blade arms, and yep, you're going to see a big fail on one of the blades, and that is actually the paint hadn't dried, and I put it the wrong way, like the blade which gives air facing down, and that stuck to the newspaper, and it dried in the night overnight. And when I removed it, half the newspaper is still there. I removed how much ever I could, but it's still there. Anyways, I'm gonna box this fine until I use it next. So till then, just for the video sake, it's not bad. Now it's time to assemble the main motor. And yep, I've also missed some spots. And yep, I forgot the main thing. I had to add the main blue Whispair lines on the motor. I recorded the video, started editing it, and then realized fitting the stator into place. And also we need to oil the bush again, for good measure. So the black screen you just saw was my camera tripping on the sofa and becoming black. So in the meantime, I actually fit most half the work is done, stator is done. I'm attaching the motor cover to the body, and then I'll add the rod. This is all simple stuff, and I'm also checking for noise. Yeah, by accident I had put paint in the threads of the uh, you know capacitor holder, so it was a bit hard to rotate it, but I put a little oil, used my pliers, and it was way easier. And then this has the nut, unlike the hybrid, there's a screw, so even if the two threads are less, but the nut will hold it in place, and then the big quarter pin goes into place, so it is still tight. And if I find another canopy in the future, I'll definitely add it and remove the GEC and Whisper both, and I'll add a bigger Whisper logo on the lower canopy, because I had to fit both, so the size is not good. And I also used the stool climbed up to my gold and I looked at the wiring diagram because I literally forgot it in a day. Literally. So you can see the blade screws not attached. I also painted inside of the iron block. So now we'll remove the gold line and install the Whispair just for the video purpose. And even gold line looks like it needs a repaint, but I'm not. Originality is the key for me, even though it's scratched up a bit. Yep, that's the paper remnants I was talking about. It won't matter to me much until I actually install it somewhere for daily use. So I'll do all the touch-up work then. So that time it will be worth it. Now it's time to switch it on. You can see the bends and you can see the GEC and Whisper logo clearly. Oh my god, this fan looks way better than before. I'll add a picture of before and after. You guys can see that the fan is in its full potential, as good as my gold line. So I'm impressed, literally. It's the first time I'm using it full speed. The day I bought, you can see how bad it was. Oh my god, this few seconds of whisper airflow just blew my mind. This few seconds of airflow just blew my mind, literally. And the first day I was like scared to even use it full speed because of the sound. I just want this in my room, either this or the gold line, either works. Maybe this year because single canopy also no one will care, but I need a GEC in my room. Mr. Satvik Jacob, you're right. GEC, the edge, can give you the best airflow in the whole universe, in the world, or in my home, because this is a small room. Oh my god, this is literally mind blowing. I cannot believe this. Because now will I install the GEC, box it, and then put it in my storage with my Crompton Graves Hybrid 70s, and also I think the fusion is there. No, the fusion is down. I'll put it in place after the video. You can see how the GEC Whisper logo shines up. But this single canopy is way better than no canopy. But I wish one canopy was there. Sometimes in life you lose. I lost one GEC Whisper on the day of buying the HB, but that was a 70s 80s one. This is a 60s British imported, so I'm lucky. I'm just very happy. This is the original GEC shackle that came with my gold line, but I am using my dead fusion shackle there, and I also installed this fan on that shackle only. So this is just for display purpose I'm putting. And yep, I'm boxing it in the HB's box because HB needs a repaint. So yep, HB stands for high breeze, 70s high breeze, and the paint job is messed up, so I'm just rubbing it on the stony ground which my storage has. And if I also need to cut slots in the cardboard to fit the rod perfect, no bends. That's one thing. Now a small tape. I wish one of this was a 56 inch GEC. Goodbye fans. See you later after my exams. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in my next video.